In today's video, I am going to teach you how to always sign out of Gmail after closing Google Chrome browser. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three vertical dots. This opens the main Chrome menu where you can access your browser settings and privacy controls. From that menu, select Settings. After the Settings page opens, go to the left-hand side and click Privacy and Security. This section contains the options that control how Chrome handles your browsing data, permissions, and saved website information. Next, scroll down until you find Site Settings and click it. This area manages what websites are allowed to do and what kind of data they can store in your browser. Keep scrolling until you see Additional Content Settings, then expand that section to reveal more options. Now click On-Device Site Data. This is the setting that controls what happens to the data websites saved locally on your computer. You will see a few choices here, and the one you want is the option that says Delete Data Sites Have Saved to Your Device when you close all windows. Select that radio button to turn the setting on. Once this is enabled, Chrome will clear saved site data after every Chrome window has been closed. That means websites like Gmail will not keep using stored session data in the same way, which helps sign you out when you are done using the browser. For this to work properly, make sure you fully close all Chrome windows, not just the tab you are using. That covers everything you need to know.